Alright, this is a pack of two 6 feet long, 1/2 inch sized nylon rope fender lines, which basically means they have a tiny little loop at one end of them already set up for you. So I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, it would cost you about $11 for the set of two. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain my own. Right, so they come nicely bundled. The ends here have been kind of heat sealed, a little bit nicer than just like somebody hit it with a torch. It looks like they have a tool that clamps them and heats them and seals them all at once. And then there's some tying, like lacing, that the end has been essentially laced into place here, which is probably not necessary in addition to the heat shrink kind of seal here, but it looks nice. Now it is a 6-foot rope, and at the end of the 6 feet we have the spliced end here, and you can feel it. It goes to about there, so you can feel it's getting thinner and thinner, and then the rope starts about here. So it's put in there pretty far and spliced together, and then there's this sewing all the way around it to kind of hold that in. So, you know, that loop is set there. So 1/2 inch size, relatively flexible, feels pretty soft. So overall, it looks pretty nice. Basically to hold your fenders on your boat or anything else you might need 1/2 inch line, you know, to short 6 foot length of it with the loop already stuck in there. There's a close up of the lacing together of the two ends and this threading up here to hold it together. Here's kind of a close-up of that shrunken heat thing on the end and the lacing there.